Imagine this. You're standing at the edge of a vast chasm, peering at your dreams on the other side. You yearn for them with every fiber of your being, but they seem just out of reach, frustratingly close, yet impossibly far away. But what if I told you that there is a bridge, a powerful technique that can bridge the gap between you and your desires? Welcome to our channel, where we delve deep into the realm of manifestation and uncover the secrets that can turn your dreams into reality. Today, we are about to embark on a mind-bending journey as we unveil the remarkable manifesting bridge technique. Have you ever experienced that burning desire for something more, something greater than what you currently have? If so, you're not alone. But fear not, because the manifesting bridge technique is here to guide you towards the life you truly deserve. In this video, we will unlock the incredible power of manifestation and explore how you can use the manifesting bridge technique to overcome any limitations holding you back. We will dive into the transformative 5-minute manifestation technique that will allow you to connect with your desires like never before. Through the power of visualization and the magic of meditation, we will show you how to manifest your deepest desires and make them a tangible reality. But here's the best part. With just 5 minutes of practice each day, you can achieve remarkable results in just 21 days. That's right. In less than a month, you can bridge the gap between where you are now and where you want to be. So if you're ready to step onto the bridge of manifestation and embark on this life-altering journey, then this video is for you. If you are new to our channel and not yet subscribed, I would request you to please hit that subscribe button. Join our growing community of like-minded individuals, and together, let us unleash the power within us to manifest our dreams. Get ready to bridge the gap between you and your desires. The manifesting bridge technique awaits, and your dreams are just a few steps away. The first step of this technique is to calm ourselves down and have faith in something greater than ourselves. Having faith allows us to be open-minded about future possibilities as we increasingly connect with our desires. It's important to stay focused on what we are hearing in order for this technique to work effectively and reap its rewards. There are many options available when listening back over material if one isn't fully grasping it, such as playback speed changes or rewatching sections, etc. Ensuring that one stays engaged throughout. Practicing this method each day may allow a deeper connection with our true purpose and goals through calming concentration and reflection, combined with undeniable positivity, empowering us along every path taken towards success. By utilizing these steps and harnessing the power within them, it allows anyone who practices them greater access into alignment with their core wishes, while also remaining constantly open-minded for receiving answers without prejudice or bias, taking advantage of any situation presented, even those initially deemed challenging. This invites peace, rather than chaos, into everyday living, unlocking key pathways, with much potential ahead in the life of dreams come true. Just simply wait for results serenely, knowing deep inside that the journey has started and is powerfully progressing. We all know that our beliefs, thoughts, and inner conversations have a huge impact on our ability to achieve desired outcomes. However, it's important to note that forcing ourselves to do something we don't feel like doing is counterintuitive. It will only bring more negativity into the manifestation process. That's why Neville Goddard created the manifesting bridge technique, a 5-minute daily practice for manifesting desires without negative energy or effort. The manifesting bridge technique involves visualization techniques combined with affirmations of what you desire. It works by bridging the gap between what we want and how we feel about it right now. When done correctly, this bridge will help us connect with our goals on an emotional level and create positive energy that will make them easier to achieve. To get optimal results from this technique, one must find somewhere quiet and peaceful to be completely focused on the task at hand without distractions. Setting a timer or glancing at the clock can help keep track of this dedicated time slot for manifesting desires. Once you have found peace and quiet, start visualizing what it would look like if your goal was already achieved. Let yourself feel all those emotions associated with success while reciting powerful affirmations designed specifically for manifesting desires, such as "I am confident I can achieve my goal," or "I easily attract abundance into my life." Keep repeating these affirmations until they become second nature. If done correctly, they should take no more than 5 minutes each day. The great thing about Neville Goddard's manifestation bridge technique is that it works with anything from career aspirations to relationships. So try it out today. Friends, are you looking for an easy and effective way to manifest your desires? Look no further than visualization and meditation for manifesting desires. This technique is based on the teachings of Neville Goddard, the law of attraction, and the law of assumption. It combines visualization with affirmations to unlock your true power of manifestation. To begin, find a quiet space free of disturbance so you can enter a meditative state. Inhale and exhale at your desired speed, counting up to 5 each time until your mind is calm and focused. Now, focus on one particular desire for 5 minutes. Visualize it in detail across the room, making it feel real in that moment. Engage all your senses, including smell and taste if applicable. If visualization is difficult, there are resources available to help. However, it's important to understand this before starting visualization for manifestation purposes in order to achieve desired outcomes over the long term based on proven findings and evidence. After successfully visualizing, include imagery in thought forms to bridge yourself with the desired outcome. Affirm sentences while moving through each step, ensuring that nothing holds you back from what is needed, wanted, or desired in your life. This process should be done in the present moment, with ongoing analysis and observation as it relates to manifesting desires through meditation practices. Success is achieved by combining full immersion techniques based on research findings and evidence, which explain why these processes work effectively over time. Lastly, trust in the process and refrain from questioning the hows and whens of your manifestation. Simply allow yourself to be open to the unfolding of events organically over time, without excessively fixating on specific timings. With consistent practice and utilization of this technique, incredible things are bound to come your way. The manifesting bridge technique acts as a bridge, connecting your current position with your ultimate goals or desires. For many people, it can be difficult to stay motivated when trying to manifest something new or achieve a goal. The manifesting bridge technique is designed to bridge the gap between wanting something and actually having it. It combines visualization, affirmations, and goal setting to create a powerful tool that will make it easier for your dreams to become reality. Friends, at last, I would say, don't underestimate the power of a mere 5 minutes a day. Visualize, affirm, and train your brain to believe in the manifestation of your dreams. It's time to unleash your manifesting potential and turn your desires into reality. Thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, press the like button and share with your friends. Take care of yourself until we meet in the next video. God bless.